Welcome tech enthusiasts to a journey through the intricate landscape of Amazon Web Services. Today, we embark on an in-depth exploration of AWS RDS Database with Snapshots. Introduction of AWS RDS Database with Snapshots. AWS RDS, the backbone of cloud-based applications, simplifies database management. Today's focus is database snapshots. At its core, RDS automates routine tasks, allowing you to focus on innovation. Now, let's talk snapshots, like frozen moments, capturing your database's essence. But why are they essential? Let's find out. Understanding database snapshots. Beyond backups, snapshots are powerful tools, freezing your database at a specific moment, a snapshot in time. Database snapshots are a feature found in some database management systems that provide a read-only, static view of a database at a given point in time. This point-in-time recovery option is crucial for maintaining data integrity, ensuring business continuity, and meeting compliance requirements. Benefits of using snapshots. The benefits are manifold. Snapshots provide a safety net, enabling rollbacks to stable states in case of errors, data loss, or testing requirements. Compliance, testing, and peace of mind. Snapshots deliver advantages that resonate across various scenarios. How to create snapshots for your RDS database. Let's get hands-on. Navigating the AWS Management Console, I'll guide you through creating snapshots for your RDS database. From selecting your database instance to specifying snapshot details, this process ensures seamless data backup. Choose Actions, choose Take Snapshot, enter snapshot name. Restoring from snapshots, step-by-step guide. But what if the unexpected happens? Fear not, we'll navigate the steps to restore your database from a snapshot, minimizing downtime and maximizing efficiency. This feature is a game changer in database management, offering unparalleled flexibility. In the navigation pane, choose Snapshots, choose the DB snapshot that you want to restore from. For Actions, choose Restore Snapshot on the Restore Snapshot page. For DB Instance Identifier, enter the name for your restored DB instance. Now, let's shift our focus to real-world scenarios. Success stories abound, where businesses, large and small, leverage AWS RDS snapshots to their advantage. From startups ensuring data consistency to enterprises streamlining operations, the impact is profound. In the event of a catastrophic failure, such as data corruption or accidental deletion of critical data, RDS snapshots can be used to restore the database to the state it was in at the time of the snapshot. When moving databases from one AWS region to another or from one account to another, RDS snapshots can be shared or copied across regions/accounts. By restoring a database from a snapshot, organizations can verify the integrity and completeness of their backups. And there you have it, a comprehensive journey into AWS RDS Database with Snapshots. The power of snapshots lies not just in their creation but in their strategic use. As you navigate the cloud, may your databases be robust, and your snapshots, ever reliable. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. For more AWS insights, stay tuned.